In this video, we are going to see that if you want to install a new web browser of DuckDuckGo, because it is much safer browsing, it doesn't track your data and so on. It has many benefits. So if you want to install it, just go to your favorite browser. Here I have Google Chrome and it works pretty fine for me. So just go to Google and just write here DuckDuckGo and just click on this first website, which is the official website of this product. And what you can do is just go to download the browser. This is recommended. Click on that and it shows you the process that first of all it will show you in downloads and then you can install the apps online. Click on this DuckDuckGo installer on the right hand side. Once it is complete, click on run and click on install now. At this particular point, I don't want to make this as a default browser because I'm just experiencing it and getting the first impression of it. So I don't want to install this as a default browser. And that's very simple. The installation is complete and it says you the welcome screen. Hi there, ready for the faster browser that keeps you protected. Let's do it. And it has all of these features that is not available in Chrome. So you can make this a default browser as well, but after exploring that, I recommend. So you can pin the taskbar or otherwise just skip through all of these steps. The first impression is quite nice. And finally, it starts the browsing. After that, you can just search for different websites. And I think it's a good browser that you can use. It has a lot of features that is not available in Chrome. So that's how you install it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.